Hi, welcome back to Now Fabrication. Today we are working on installing the pedal assembly on the 49 GMC. This is the Nissan pedal assembly for the clutch and the brake. You're going to have to remove at the dotted lines in order to fit underneath the 49 GMC dash. Here you can see where we have to modify the pedal assembly to fit on the firewall. Alright, so we got our clutch and brake pedal assembly, trimmed it down, rough trim real quick just to try to fit it up. I fit it up in there. Nice and high. I'm going up in there, checking out right about there for the brake assembly. Looking right about here for that brake assembly to mount. So I went ahead and I made a little mock-up so we can have it in reverse. See if we can set that up just perfectly and transfer the holes and cut the holes and get ready for assembly. Got make it easy system and master cylinders there. We'll try to test fit everything before we final approach. One thing I didn't check is to make sure this will clear the hood if we put it that high. I think we'll be okay because we got a lot of clearance here for that versus that much room. So I think we're okay. Well, we got it in there. We only got 2 bolts in just to make sure the mock-up's good. See how it looks on the inside. We're definitely gonna have to lengthen those pedals, but she looks pretty good to me. Very usable. I like it. As you can see in here, you can't really see too well. Let's see if I can get some light on the subject. Got some looseness going on. We're gonna have to put a bracket in there and make her a little more stout. But she works. Now we have a different year of master cylinder going into this thing than the pedal assembly, so we have a different design. So we made that. Now we will transfer these holes into that and bolt it in, and we should be good to go. Granted, these 2 will go into the pedal assembly. This one will be into the firewall, but we will still be structurally sound. I like it. I think we're looking pretty good. Plenty of clearance. Plenty of room. Alright, so now we got the brake master cylinder in, we got the clutch slave cylinder in, we got the pedal assembly in. Now we're going to work on the bed. Then we can roll this thing out and take a good look at it. Bed, we got a 3-inch spacer in the front. We got to build our own backside. It's a rat rod, so nothing can be easy. Got finish up these, and we should be good.